myself. My name is Siti Tompodung, and now I'm going to ask people about their opinion on the statement, fast food is better than homemade food. Without further ado, let's start. Hello.
Hi.
May I have a moment of your time?
Yes, of course.
What's your name?
My name is Justina Rao.
My name is Laura.
I would like to ask your opinion about the statement, fast food is better than homemade food.
I disagree with that. In my opinion, homemade food is better than fast food. Homemade food is healthier because we can control the ingredients. Fast food usually contains too much fat, salt, and sugar, which can lead to health problems.
That's true. The example of many problems such as obesity, diabetes, or heart disease. By cooking at home, we can just raise vegetables, clean meat, and use less oil, making the food more nutritious and safe for the life.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Hi. May I have a moment of your time?
Yeah, of course.
What's your name?
My name is Quincy. My name is Serena.
I would like to ask your opinion about the statement, fast food is better than homemade food.
I'm not sure I agree with that. I think that homemade food is more economical in the long run. Although fast food seems cheap and practical, and if consumed continuously, it can actually be more expensive. Yeah, compared to big ingredients and cooking at home, where we prepare our meals, we can make regular portions at a lower cost